Good morning, San Antonio. It's that time again. Let's do our coffee walk down to the body shop today. Come on. See what they got going on. Morning, Raphael. How you doing?
Good morning. How are you?
Doing good. Good to see you again.
Good.
This is Raphael. He's the assistant manager for the Alamo City Body Shop. Raphael, tell us some of the advantages you have about doing business with the Alamo City Body Shop.
Yes, so some of the advantages of doing business with Alamo City Body Shop is that we're a Honda Pro First shop. We are also a GM certified shop, and we are also the only body shop in San Antonio that's a Mercedes facility certified shop. And
you mean to tell us we're the only shop in San Antonio that's Mercedes-Benz certified?
Yes, we
Really?
are. Yes, and with that being said, we also do OE price matching on 90% of the parts that we use on all the vehicles. Insurance companies will most of the time write the estimates with aftermarket parts, but we do go the extra mile and step, and we go into price matching, and so that way we can get better quality and fit.
So you're telling me that if a customer brings a vehicle in here, though their insurance company wants an aftermarket part, we're going to price match to get them the original equipment that came on their car?
That's right. We're going to do the best we can to do that for all vehicles that we get.
That is awesome. Well, Raphael, keep rock and rolling. You guys got a great team
All
down
right,
here.
thank you
Let's
so
go see what they
much.
got going on out here. Well, it looks like we got some great paint booths out here. Busy in there. You got the paint booths all up to speed. Nice thing is we've spared no expense. We want the best equipment to repair your vehicles to pre-collision condition. Obviously, like you said, Mercedes-Benz certified. We've got some Mercedes in here getting repaired, getting prepped for paint work. Very nice paint booth here. Over here, obviously, we've got a lot of our, domestics over here. You got, we work on any type of model, Ford, Dodge, Chevy, anything you have that you get in a collision, we're here to take care of you, repair it back to pre-collision condition. Like you said, we work with any major insurance company, factory trained techs. We got something for everyone here to take care of it, which is great. Here at Alamo City Chevrolet, we take pride in providing a service for anything you may need, from body shop repair, service work, or even sales. We got some great, amazing deals right now for the month of June in sales. We got some great service specials. Whatever you need done with your vehicle, we're here to serve your wants and needs. Come down. You got to go to Alamo City Chevrolet. Come see us today. We're on San Pedro, outside Loop 410, on just across from North Star Mall. Come on and see us today. Look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great day.